Good morning. I will turn the camera around and show you my face in a moment, but first I wanted to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to everyone who has supported my GoFundMe campaign. As I said, I didn't have the money to pay for the removalists to bring all my belongings from Melbourne to this area. And thanks to so many of you, it looks like it's actually going to happen. So I'm fully grateful, and if you haven't donated yet and you'd still like to support me, then please, you can do so, and there are some great gifts. Everyone who donates gets something, much more value than what the donation is, usually. And remember, even $5 is heaps. They all add up. So this is the beach that I walk on every morning. This is what you're supporting me to live, where you're supporting me to live. And yes, I feel that finally I've come to a place in my life where I need to settle down and have a home. So thank you once again. And look, there's little socks running along the beach. Love you, and please share my campaign if you feel to. Full love to everybody. Mwah.